Hi, welcome to CrochetJewel Channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this Crochet Suzette stitch. I'm going to use medium worsted yarn and an H hook, but you can use any hook size you would like or any type of yarn. If you want to make it bigger, just go up on your hook size. The pattern is down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. This is done in even chains, so I will just do a sample of 20 because that is an even number. You can do 22 just as long as it is even. Okay, so let's get started. So to get started, I'm going to slip knot onto my hook. And if you're a beginner, there's beginner stitches playlist down below. And if you want to place this in slow motion, there's a link down below in the description on how to place your video in slow motion if this is too fast. So just yarn over and pull through. I'm going to do an even number for my chains. So I'll just go ahead and do a chain of 20. Just make sure that it is even. Continue this on until you have the amount that you would like. So the width of your chains, that's going to be how wide it will be. So if you want it really wide, just keep going on until you have your desired amount of even chains. And then for your length, that will depend on how long you would like to make that as well. Just keep going and continuing on until you have that desired length. Okay, so this is just a sample. You can always make this bigger and continue on with your chains. And the second chain from the hook, I'm going to work a single crochet. So 1 and then 2, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through both loops. Continue that on until you are at the end of the row. Okay, now you're going to chain 1 and turn. In the first stitch, you're going to work a single crochet and then a double crochet. And now a double, so yarn over, insert your hook, grab that yarn, yarn over and pull through 2. And then yarn over and pull through 2. Then the next stitch you're going to skip, go to the next and repeat with a single crochet and then a double. And then skip again and go to the next with a single and a double. Just repeat that until you get to the end. And then skip. And then you're going to skip, and then in the last one, just work a single crochet. And then chain 1 and turn. In the first stitch, you're going to work a single and then a double. And then skip a stitch, and then in that single crochet, this is all repeat. You'll work your single and then your double. And then skip the stitch here and then go right back into that single and work your single and then your double crochet. And then just repeat that until you get to the end, and then this is the pattern. You'll just keep repeating this row for your desired length. Repeat that until you get to the end, and then you're going to end with a single crochet, and then chain 1, and then just repeat. This is all repeat now. Single crochet and then double crochet, and then skip, and then just repeat with a single and then a double, and then skip and just repeat. And just work that until you get to the end, and end with a single crochet each time in that last stitch. Then chain 1 and turn, work your single crochet, and then double crochet, and then skip your stitch and go to the next stitch and work your single and then your double, and then skip the double and go to the single each time and work your single and then your double, and you just repeat that for each row until you get to the end. Work your single, chain 1 and turn, and then just repeat back and forth until you have your desired length that you would like. Okay, so you've done all your desired rows that you want, and to finish it off you can chain 1 and turn, and each stitch across you can work a single crochet, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then just work that until you get to the very end. And this will give it a nice finished look. So each stitch gets a single crochet, and then it matches the single crochet at the very bottom as well. So when you're finished, you're going to yarn over and pull through, and then just cut your yarn. Take your yarn needle and weave in all of your ends to secure them and hide them. You're going to do this about 2 to 3 times so it secures your ends. Just like this, and then you can cut your yarn. Thank you for watching this Crochet Suzette tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. The pattern is down below, and thank you for watching.